Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Brandon Watts and today we're going to be going over this bedroom image. It's not going to take too long. It's actually quick and easy. We're going to start here in Photoshop and you can see that my first three layers are going to be my ambient layers. We're going to merge those together. Now you can use Lightroom or Photoshop to merge your layers. I use a custom action that came with a Lumenzia plugin, which go ahead and merges those ambients. Okay, we're going to copy that. Set the first one to luminosity. Drop it down to about 50%. We'll hit the second one with a color. And we're going to hit that with a black mask. Group those two together. That's going to be my ambient blend. Okay, second one is going to be my fill flash. Or my darken repair, sorry. We're going to copy that with Command J. Set the first one to color. The second one is going to be set to darken. We're going to group those two together. Label that darken blend. And what you can see is that it's going to take care of this glare, this flash glare right there. Anything that's too bright, it's going to go and correct. So we're going to fix these now. This is going to be my right fill flash, my left. We'll hit that with a white mask. Hit G on the keyboard, hold down shift and click and drag across, but make sure that you're set to black on your foreground. I'm going to do that again. That's an easy way of masking yourself out. And even that right there looks really great. You got the darken layer, and that balances out those flash pops. Bring in the ambient. That starts to balance things out a bit more, but we'll go ahead and bring back in some of that flash so that way it's not too muddied, as you can see here. Based off of compared to, let's go and copy this fill flash, bring it back to the top. How nice and white this is. And here compared to what we have right now, it's not as appetizing. So we'll go ahead and add a black mask, hit B on the brush keyboard, hit B for brush on the keyboard, white on the foreground color, and we'll just start to paint that back in. You can immediately tell how much nicer that looks. Much more inviting. Might be a little bit too bright. So we'll drop it down just slightly. Way better. Go ahead and quick mask that just to see where we can fix our mask. Right there in the back. Boom, quick and easy. Quick and easy. We're going to merge all visible, or merge all. Going to go into camera raw. Hit auto, see what that gives us. It's alright, it's not too bad, but I don't like how it brought down that exposure. I actually like to push up my exposure a little bit to make these look more inviting to the eye, more pleasing. Bam. Contrast. Now that looks nice. That looks really good. What we can do, it's going to copy this, and we'll go ahead and hit it with Luminar AI. Again, you don't need any plugins to do this. I just like to use them. Some of these are relatively cheap. Luminar, I think, is only 50 bucks or so. But I think That looks rather good. Rather great. And it was super quick. Without Luminar, with Luminar. With Luminar, without it, subtle change. I'm sure you can do that in Camera Raw. It's just a preset that I have already. And we're going to straighten this out. Easy, easy. Gonna sharpen that real quick. Save and close. And we're good to go. Now, if you liked any of the videos I've posted so far, I would always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you all for coming out, and I'll see you all in the next video.